YouTube, working on my son's Mercedes C320. He was driving on the highway and he lost, he started hearing the noise, so ripped out all the belt and tore up that pulley down there by the air compressor. Inside the air conditioning compressor. The pulley's in pieces. As you can see right here, this is a part of it. But also he was leaking antifreeze, and I had to take apart the windshield wipers, the motors, and look where it's leaking from, right here. You bust a hole right here in that pipe, go into the water, I think the heater core. So be careful when you have steam, and steam is coming into the cabin and it's coming out here. So this is a weak part here, so make sure that you can get that changed. If you can do it yourself, it's not hard, just takes some time. Like and subscribe. So YouTube, working on a Mercedes, showing you how to get these clips off of these coolant hose. This is a channel lock. You know, the infamous coolant hose that always come apart and give you such a hard time. So this is what I do with the channel lock. Get it top and bottom. You want to try and get it from the top. Squeeze it. See that? And then you can just move it out the way. Just get a nice grip. Give it nice. And then you just squeeze it. Get that hose off. There you go. Just like that. Like and subscribe. Channel lock. So this is a piece that popped and broke the firewall in front of the driver's side. I think it goes to the heater core.